please get ready to send a life-saving text. Molly is dangerously ill. If she doesn't get treatment urgently, she could die. But the specialist hospital is 4 hours drive away. It's a desperate race against time. And that's where the Children's Air Ambulance comes in. An amazing intensive care unit that flies critically ill children to life-saving treatment. And we fly entirely on your generosity. Please text SAVE to 70755 and give £3 so we can fly a child like Molly to life-saving surgery. Sadly, right now, for every little Molly we can help, there are 2 children we can't reach. Your £3 means more young lives can be saved. So text SAVE to 70755 now. Please don't wait. For a desperately sick child, every second counts.